Hi guys, for this video nadulat ko og the baby in yellow. So, let's go magdulat ta og the baby in yellow. Okay, first time ako nakadulaan ni guys karon pa. So, let's go. Okay, night 1. Okay. So, hapon-hapon ako nakadula guys. Okay. Hi baby, kitagikik ka. You're so cute. Okay. Get called from and bridge. Okay. Nasa ka. Sorry, tala tao. Biro niya. Para cute. Cute siya guys. Meron daw siya oh. Okay, so baby to changing table. Okay. Asa man diri kaya. Okay. Ito siyang anong agano. Pampers niya. Okay. Tunuwa. Ay, arad eh. Nabot ka dra. Nabot si baby diri. Okay. Take baby to bed. Put baby to sleep. Asa yung bedroom din. Sabi ano siya? Okay. Diri asa yung patayara. Ano yung bedroom? Okay, ara yung bedroom. Okay. And then find the storybook and sit down. Ayara. Yeah, storybook. And then the prince and the cat. Okay.
Across the shore, in distant lands, with dark stars overhead, the prince was fast asleep until a cat jumped on his bed.
I found a secret garden,
said the cat with much delight. Excitedly, they ran outside, explorers in the night. They walked through the golden garden gate.
Look at the pretty trees.
They walked along the pretty pebble path.
Look at the colourful flowers.
They walked past the fabulous flowing fountain.
Look at the dancing water. Look.
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 But the prince didn't like the garden and started kicking down the trees. He dug up flowers, grabbed the hedges, and pulled off all the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat watched on in fear.
What a mistake I made.
The cat cried out.
I should never have brought him here.
Okay, mora to. Okay, natulog na siya. Kita na. Ano sa tumahat to? Okay, watch TV on the sofa. Share what is this? Okay. Ang baby. Ang baby. Okay, wait. Ang baby naghilak. Wait, ang baby. Lah. Baby? Tapos ang baby. Nawa siya. Nawa ng baby. Nawa ang baby. Baby? Wait, wala siya. Kalooy. Saman. Okay. Take baby to bed. Okay. Again. Okay. Nila ka mga baby. Okay. Dahalan ka. Okay, put baby to sleep. Okay. Correct close and the cut. Okay. Ni siya cut. Okay. Cut pida siya. Okay. Dahalan ka. Okay, tawag siya. Siguro, watch na po TV. Okay, watch na po TV. Then. Okay. Okay, night 2 na to. Okay, let's go. Night 2 na ta. Padali araw. Okay, let's go. Lasong baby. Get golden from fridge. Okay. Hindi niya. Lanawa. Find the boat. Oh. Nanalak. Oh my gosh. Uy. Wala. Asa taan niya ron? Gilakan ko guys. Find the boat. Oh. Find daw. I-find na to. Okay, wait lang. Ara. Na-find na to yung bibi. Okay, asa mga bibi. Ay, arang bibi. Oh, okay. Diyan ko na siya. Okay. Take baby to changing. Okay. Change the pod. Okay. Ay, kawala ha. Bisang wala na pagkadaron. Okay. La. Uy, ang pampers. Diri. Uy, diri. Lasang pampers. Nasa yung mata. Di bakli. Aro. Uy, diri. Wala siya, guys. Dito. Uy. Ay. Diri. Asa ka? Diri. Diri. Uy, diri. Asa siya? Ara, ato, ara. Da, gaba, pakong. Gabaan ni mo. Tara. Da pa makita ka. Dagan. Ala. Nasang baby air. Diri. Okay. Wala nawala. Okay. Take baby to bed. Okay. Bed na pod. Ala. Baby? Baby, pagkagala baby. Ala. Oh my gosh. Baby, ayaw kupat niya ha. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay, bedtime story na pod. Okay. Ay, wait. Okay. Bedtime story na pod, guys. Okay, the prince and the rabbit. Okay. Okay, ito na yung conby. Narabay lagi na ko. Okay. Narabay lagi na ko. Okay. Shush. Shilak man ka. Ilang. Shh. Okay, continue ta. Okay. Naila kong mata. Oh, ay. Okay. Put the correct plushie in the cut. Kani? Ay, dili. Kasi, ay, kani rabbit. Ganala siya, oh, okay. Anya, continue ta ha. Okay, continue na to. Itong story. Stories na to, okay. And then, ito na paspason di. Okay. Manata. Okay, natulog na siya. Leave and close the door, okay. Okay, bye baby. Okay. Mag-watch na po tag TV. Okay, balik ka na lagi na. Okay. Ano sa to? Night doorbell. Okay. Ay, wow. Okay. Box. Okay, wait. Ito yung batang. Ay, nahatak. Okay. Watch TV. Okay, watch na po tag TV. And then, okay, night 3 na ta. Kadari ara ay. Okay. Night 3 dayon. Ta, okay. Watch this, okay. Gosh. Go on the ants, the baby la. Ang baby. Okay, wait. Nagilak ang baby. Okay. Baby, you're okay? Okay. Dali. Okay, leave and close the door. Okay. Wala lang ka, baby, ha? Okay. Okay. Very close to stay. Okay. She's, okay. Ano to siya? And, okay. And then cheese. Umati siya. Ito yung cheese. Dali cheese. Okay. And then, and then, okay. And tapos, okay. Hindi buto. Point me daw. Oh my gosh. Nalalayo lagi ni. Nalalayo siya. Oh my gosh. Ay! Uy, baby. Ayaw ko pati. Laasan ako. Uy, tabang. Laasa to. Ikulong na kayo ko si baby. Baby. Ala, asa ko gipaad to sa baby. Ara. Di makuha. Like, oh my. Asa tumuad to. Uy. Siya. Nay karni. Karni man. Asa tumuad to. Asa kumuad to. Asa tumuad to, guys. Oh my God. Asa kumuad to. Naglibog ko. Wait, asa ko. Asa na ta? Hara. And then, asa tumuad to. Sani? Asa tumuad to. Libot-libot naman ta. Libot-libot naman ta diri. Naglibot-libot na ako, guys. Hindi ko alam asang agian. Huwag ka bilang asang agianan. Diri. Asan ako? Ayun, nakalbaan ako. Padrong paggawas man eh. La. Okay. Find the baby you monster. La. La. Okay. Find the baby you monster daw. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, ayaw takwado ka. Ang baby la. Shh. Oh, ayaw takwado ka. Okay. Take baby to training level. Okay. Ayaw ko adoki. Silang baby silang. Okay. Ikaw wala diya ha. Just di ka hawa ron. Ikaw wala. Okay. Tadi. Ala! Kuya yung taon. Di pa ko ready mamatay. Agay. Uy, di pa ko ready mamatay. Ikaw ha, ikaw. Ah! Uy. Asa to maadto? Asa ko maadto? Asa ko maadto? Asa ko maadto? Ah. Asa ko maadto? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god. Ayaw. This. Ay! Ah! Hindi ang katapat mo. Hindi ang katapat mo. Asa ka? Asa ka? Asa ka? Hindi ang katapat mo, baby. Da. Kira ka? Okay. Take baby to bedroom. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, gusto ko ron. Please, ayaw ko, adoki. Na-lock na ko, guys. Bago, pagani ko. La. Oh my gosh. Please, ayaw. Dali. Dara ka. Okay. Put the correct bow in the cut. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Kani sheep? The sheep. Okay. Gusto na siya. Tara na. Okay, find the... Find the storybook na punta. Na-lock na ko aning dula. Please, ayaw. Please, ayaw. Baby. Gabang. Oh my god. Ayaw yung taon. Ayaw yung taon! Gabang.
Good night.
Sigod night. Oh my gosh. Guys, nahalok na ko. Oh my gosh. Like, nahalok na ko, guys. Okay. Okay. Wala, may sunod din ako na-inputin nyo ang kaning 2 part 1 niya, guys. May sunod ako na-inputin nyo. So, mag-direct yung napit itong video, guys. Inputin nyo kaning 2 ano. So, mag-direct yung napit itong video, guys. So, please enjoy this video. So, more to guys. Bye-bye!